Hello everyone, it's another episode of Mortgage Mythbuster Monday. I'm Greg Anderson with Caliber Home Loans, and today I want to talk about a 15-year mortgage and whether or not that's right for you. So 15-year mortgages have been a very popular marketing ploy for a while to get folks to refinance. The reason for it is because, number one, rates have been so low for so long. There's been a lot of folks who have had 30-year fixed mortgages in the threes for quite a few years now, to where the next best move would be a 15-year mortgage to maybe get in the low threes or even the high twos. Now, this was before COVID and rates have even gone lower. So I want to talk about this because a lot of folks reach out to me and they say, hey, I hear a 15-year mortgage is the best way to go for me. And I think in some cases that is the truth. But there are a lot of cases where a 15-year mortgage is just not the right thing for your family. So 15-year mortgage is going to increase your minimum monthly payment by quite a bit, depending on your situation. So you have to look and see if it really fits your family's budget. What I'm finding is for a lot of folks who we are refinancing right now, we talk about a 15-year mortgage, but what they're choosing to do is a new 30-year mortgage where they take the new rate and they keep making the same payment that they're already used to making, and it's knocking years off of their loan. So there's other options out there to save than just going with that 15-year mortgage. I'm always a proponent of paying off your mortgage if you have other investments. So you have money set aside for a rainy day, you're maxing out your 401k, you have all of your high interest debts paid off. If that's the case, then yeah, absolutely pay your loan off faster. But you can do that in more ways than just grabbing a 15-year mortgage. We do them, but it's not always right for everyone. So to find out what the right solution is for you and your family, give us a call. We can be reached at 425-765-3115 or team.anderson@caliberhomeloans.com. We look forward to talking to you.